Bonjour, bienvenue, parents, friends. Thanks for coming this morning. Comment ça va tout le monde? Excellent. Alrighty, this morning's assembly, we are so fortunate to have a dance performed for us by Madame Sam's class. Can we give them a big welcome?
Awesome, thank you so much. Did anyone notice the words to that song?
What do they just want? Just a little. In the song, what were they asking? What were they asking for? We just want a little? Was that last one's virtue? Yeah. That was a good song choice by Madame Davis. Okay, so all of our awards are for our virtue of respect. We'll start with Madame Desmond's class. This student comes to school every day with a positive attitude and always makes good choices. He is very thoughtful and respectful to the teacher and classmates. Every day in class, he demonstrates concerns for others. He also tries to help others, including myself, whenever he can. Bravo, Tobias Rogerson. De la classe de Madame Guita, merci pour avoir une attitude respectueuse envers les autres. Thank you for having a respectful attitude towards others. Bravo, Ruby McLaughlin. From Mrs. Rye's class, she consistently shows respect for both her peers and teachers. This student is always respectful of her words and actions towards others and always takes full responsibility for her learning during class time. Bravo, Tamra Dantuzzi. Well, she's not here, okay? For choosing respectful behavior by treating others with care and consideration consistently. Bravo, Braden Karmakar. De la classe, Madame Donovan. Pour démontrer le respect aux autres et pour ton apprentissage pendant les discussions, les activités individuelles et le travail en grand groupe. For showing respect to your classmates and your learning on a regular basis during class discussions, individual work tasks, and large group activities. You show amazing leadership skills throughout the day. Thank you. Bravo, Sky Smeaton.
J'avais deux élèves.
Oh, okay.
OK. Lia, Hayes.
Va demander, madame. Yeah. Pour démontrer le respect aux autres et pour ton apprentissage pendant les discussions, les activités individuelles et le travail en grand groupe. For showing respect to your classmates and your learning on a regular basis during class discussions, individual work tasks, and large group activities. Bravo, Finley Watkinson. De la classe de Madame Sam. Cet élève fait preuve de respect tous les jours en écoutant ses professeurs et ses amis. Elle est toujours là pour veiller à ce que les choses soient faites équitablement. Il est possible pour Braden d'accepter ses erreurs et de le faire avec une attitude remarquable. This student shows respect every day by listening to his teachers and his friends. He's always there to ensure things are done fairly. This student is able to accept when he is wrong and does so with a great attitude. Bravo, Braden Smith. Oh, un autre de Madame Sam. Cet élève fait preuve de respect tous les jours en écoutant ses amis, ses professeurs et en respectant ses appels et ceux des autres. The student shows respect every day by listening to her friends, teachers, and shows respect towards her belongings and those of others. Bravo, Kaylin Ray. Bravo, Kaylin. De la classe de Madame O'Brien. For respecting shared spaces by cleaning up after himself and others, pour avoir respecté les espaces partagés en nettoyant après soi et les autres. Bravo, Alex Hayes. Bravo, Alex. Pour avoir aidé les autres et respecter la communauté de la classe, for helping others and respecting the classroom community. Bravo, Paisley St. Clair. Aussi de la classe de Madame O'Brien, pour avoir respecté les espaces partagés et les autres, et être un bon exemple pour les autres. For respecting shared spaces and others and being a good example for others. Bravo, Maya O'Hanley. Bravo, Maya. De la classe de Madame Crook. Congratulations for exemplifying outstanding respect, kindness, and consideration towards peers and teachers, making our classroom a positive and inclusive environment. Bravo, Sandy Patel.
Do we all have to like
One step to the right. Okay, de la classe de Madame Lowen. For consistently showing respect in class in many ways. One, by raising his hand when he wants to speak. Two, by cleaning up his workspace after every work period. And three, by listening to others when they are speaking. Bravo, Arya Patel. De la classe de Madame Pancratz, pour respecter les autres dans le terrain de jeu pendant la récréation. For respecting others on the playground at recess. That was a big thing we talked about this month. Bravo, Charlotte Sedfeld. Bravo, Charlotte. Pour respecter notre salle de classe et ses amis. For respecting her classroom and her friends. Bravo, Aubrey Leadbeater. All right, can we have a great big round of applause to this month's action? Okay. You can have a seat. Yeah, you can have a seat. So that concludes our awards portion of the assembly, but now we're gonna have a presentation from teachers about next month's virtue that we're gonna have an activity on tomorrow. So they're gonna describe what we're working on in the month of December. To the speaker.
Are you gonna join? Are you gonna? It worked before. I did, yeah.
For the video.
Yeah.
All right, is everyone listening? Yeah. Perfect. Madame Donovan and I are going to talk about our new virtue for the month of December. And that virtue is humility. So the wolf is the animal that teaches us humility. For the wolf, being part of our pack is important. And humility is to know that you are a sacred part of creation. Shh. Everyone should be quiet and showing good listening. That means your mouth is closed, your eyes are looking here. Shh. All right. We need to remember to live selflessly and not place ourselves above others. Respect our place, carry your pride with your people, and praise the accomplishments of all. Do not become arrogant and self-important, and find balance within yourself and all living things. Humility is a core value that we can often struggle with, as it tends to lend itself to the idea of submission or being meek.
Like, maybe people won't think you're strong if you say you're sorry. Like, if you're meek, some people think that by saying you're sorry or crying or feeling bad means that you're not being strong, but that's not always true.
Humility can come into play when a person reflects and chooses to defer, so to submit to another's wishes or opinion, so that maybe you're not always right and you can admit that you're wrong. Humility is to know yourself as a sacred part of creation. So it's symbolized by the wolf, like we said, and humility is about being humble and not arrogant, so not thinking you're better than everyone else. The expression of this humility is manifested through the consideration of others before ourselves. In this way, the wolf became the teacher of this lesson. He bows his head in the presence of others out of deference, and once hunted, he will not take the food until it can be shared with the pack. People can show humility by sincerely apologizing for something they have done. So when you make a mistake, that you can admit it and apologize. What did you say, Ashton?
Maybe he said sorry.
Maybe. Oh. working towards inclusiveness versus self-importance. And we're going to watch a short little video. Just one second.
Hi friends, it's me, Hank the Health Hero. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, today at school, I may have said some things I shouldn't have. I was feeling a little tired and grumpy, and my friend Billy wanted to play with me, and I just wanted to be left alone. I said some pretty mean things to him. I know I shouldn't have, but, and he looked upset, but, I just can't stop thinking about it. Yeah. So, when I got home, I talked to my mom about it. She asked,
What were you feeling when you said those mean words to your friend?
well, I had to think really hard about it. I was feeling kind of bad and sad that we couldn't go outside for recess. Then she asked me,
How do you think Billy felt when you said those mean words to him?
well, I was not sure. Billy did not look very happy. So I thought about it, and I thought, how would I feel if Billy talked to me that way? I know I would feel really sad that my friend did not want to play with me and hurt by the words he said. My words must have made Billy feel pretty small and miserable. He just wanted to play with me. My mom wondered,
What can you do to make things right with Billy?
Oh, I know. I can tell Billy that I'm sorry, that I hurt him with my words, and I'm going to draw him a picture to show him that I like having him as my friend. Finally, my mom asked me,
If you could do things over, what would you do differently with Billy?
Well, I would take 3 deep breaths like this. And after that, if I still didn't feel like playing, I would have politely said, well, no thank you. I would use nice words instead of mean words. I would not want to hurt Billy's feelings again. Well, friends, I need to draw a picture and find Billy to make this right. But I'll talk with all of you soon. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep up with me and my healthy adventures. Take care, friends. Until next time.
Okay, so we're just going to talk for a couple of minutes about the activity that you're going to do with your virtues group tomorrow. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making sorry stories. So the purpose is to recognize that saying sorry offers a great lesson in humility. So you're admitting that you did something wrong. When we say sorry, we're acknowledging that other people are special and deserve to be treated well. Saying sorry also teaches... Pardon?
Yeah, everybody's gonna make one.
We're all going to do it tomorrow, okay?
I will be here tomorrow.
Shh. Okay. So say, yeah.
So you're gonna make your stone, and then when you need to say sorry to somebody, you could either give them your stone to say you're sorry, kind of like that boy made a drawing, or you could keep that stone with you in your desk to remember to show humility and be polite and be kind, okay? But everybody's gonna make one, okay?